Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, thanks for Allah. The last game is 2020. I'm very happy, especially his bowlers. The job very well done, especially Shahid Bhai and Umar Gol, Saeed Ajmal, Malik. Everyone bowling very well. Not that's the way. Board is not big total, but early on is two early wickets out. So Misbah is coming. Just take your time. You play your natural game, but positive.
You made a gesture about rocking the baby to your team. What was that about?
Now as I'm signal my daughter, it's a lot of pray for me before game. I'm leaving the hotel. So I don't know, just ask Allah, is Papa, is Amin, that's it. I'm very happy. It's a lot of pray for signal my daughter and wife.
Well, Papa's playing very well. Do you enjoy batting at number 3 in the top order for Pakistan in one days?
Yeah, I'm enjoy every number, not my fixed number. Just decision on captain and coach. I'm happy as any number. Doesn't matter is open, number 3, number 4. Just team is win is my job. That's it.
Well, fantastic, mate. You must be enjoying your batting. Great win tonight. Enjoy it with your boys. Thanks very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Back to you, Tone.